it's Miss Miller here. Are you ready for small group? Well, today I'm going to be doing a small group about math. You're not going to be able to see my face. You're just going to be able to see my hands because I need to do something on the table here. So we are going to learn about which one has more. So more is your larger number. If you remember when we did our question of the day, we would all put our names on the boards of, maybe which one we liked the most, and then we go back and count. And the one that had the most names under it was the one that had more. So if we look at these two glasses with cubes in them here, I'm going to say, well, which one of these glasses have more? If you pick this one, you're correct. It has more. We can just look at this. We don't even really need to count. We know that this one has more. So let's get a little trickier. This one's pretty easy because you can look and see. This is all the way down here. This is up here. Of course, this one has more. So let's pour these out. And I'm going to put these here. And I'm going to put these here. Got it now. Which one do you think? Which glass has more? Well, in this case, it could be a little tricky, so we might need to count. So what would we do? Well, we'll pour this glass out first, and we'll put them on the table. We've got 1, 2, 3, and then we'll pour this glass out. And we'll count these 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, got this group here and this group here. Which one has more? If you said this one, you're correct. 5 is more than 3. Very good. All right, I thought that maybe we would try something a little different here. And I have 2 Ziploc bags here. I'll show you this one. Here we go. And then I have this one. Which one has more? If you said this bag, you're correct. There are 4 blocks in here. And there are 2 in here. 4 is more than 2. It's the bigger number. 4 is the bigger number. Now I thought lastly we would just do another little experiment, and we are going to use some yummy Starburst. And I'm just going to do this with my hand. I'm going to just grab some out of here and put them here. And then I'm going to grab some out of here and put them here. All right. So if we look at these glasses, wow, they actually look the same. If someone asked me, Miss Miller, which one has more? I probably could not just look at it and tell which one has more in this case. So that means we will have to count them. I will have to count them. So let's start with this glass and pour them out and count. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There are 9 that came out of this glass. Now let's see this glass. So in this glass I have, let's move this over just a little bit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, I have 9 here and 9 here. So if someone said which glass had more, I would say they are the same. because I have 9 that came out of this glass and 9 that came out of this glass. The same. Wow, how did I do that? I just stuck my hands in. I didn't even count. 9. They are the same. Let's go over this again one last time. We're going to switch it up here. Which glass has more? You're right, this one. And we can look at this and see. Very good, guys. So you can go around your house. Maybe you can get shoe boxes or some cups or something and little objects, and you can play this game with a sibling or your parents. Just which one has more? You can count some out. You can say, I'm going to put a handful of pennies in here, and I'm going to put a handful of pennies in here. Which one has more? If you can't tell by looking at it, you can pour it out and you can count them and you decide which one is the bigger number. Good job, everybody. See you later.